earthquake, debris flow, flood, landslide. What if our village was destroyed after these natural disasters took place? We have to escape to an emergency shelter, following our teachers' or parents' instructions. If you don't have a place to go in the event of a natural disaster, you can go to a shelter. But what are the shelters? The hospital is not an emergency shelter. Yes, this square has emergency shelter signs. Wow, this park has emergency shelter signs. Very nice. No, this park doesn't have emergency shelter signs. The stadium has emergency shelter signs. Great! Wow, you have found them all. Let's build an emergency shelter. Emergency medical treatment. X-ray scanner. Bed. Defibrillator. Oxygen mask. First aid kit. IV pole. Let's make up the first aid kit. There's two. There's too much. Yay! Everything is properly arranged. Here is the emergency medical center, where you can come if you are sick or hurt. What is the sign for emergency medical treatment? Yes, that's the sign for emergency medical treatment. Awesome! An emergency medical center has been built. Let's go build other facilities. Emergency shelter. To pitch a tent, we need to set up poles. Where should I put 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! All the poles are up. Cover them like this. Emergency! The tent has blown down in the wind. Hammer the nail and then tie the rope to it. 1, 2, 4. One side is fixed. 1, 2, 4. Wow, the tent is set up. Awesome! We need to set up another air tent. What? 1, 2, 5. Wow, the tent is set up. Awesome! Here is the emergency shelter. You can come and sleep here. Do you know the sign for an emergency center?
That's right. It's the sign for the emergency shelter.
Great! An emergency shelter has been built. Emergency supplies.
Where should I put these? Canned food. Cookies. Quilt. Toothpaste. Flashlight. Canned food. Cookies. No, medicine. Quilt. Flashlight. Where? Medicine. Water. Water. Toothpaste.
Here is an emergency supply center. You can come here if you need something to eat. What is the sign for emergency supplies?
Yes, that's the sign for emergency supplies.
Wow, an emergency supply center has been built. Emergency toilet. The manhole is locked. You should loosen the screws. 1, 2, 3. Wow, they are all loosened. Now we can open the manhole. Right. Left. Exactly. And choose your favorite case. Blue. Yellow. Red. Wow, you have chosen a pretty one. You can use this emergency toilet. What is the sign for the emergency toilet? Yes, that's the sign for the emergency toilet. Wow, an emergency toilet has been built. Emergency water supply.
Well, pump wells. Water wagon. Sink. Connect the pipes. Only 2 to go. Keep on. Great job. You finished connecting the pipes. Everyone can now drink fresh water.
Here is an emergency water supply center. Come here if you need water. What is the sign for?
Good job. That's the sign for the emergency water supply.
Yay! We finished building an emergency center.
Follow the sign and you can find an emergency shelter. Aha! This is the way.
Oh no, I cannot find the directions to the emergency shelter.
Follow us. We will take you to the emergency shelter.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, it's the right direction. How can I get to the emergency shelter? Aha! This is the way.
Oh, I have no idea how to get to the emergency shelter.
Follow us. We will take you to the emergency shelter.
All right, thanks.
Yes, it's the right direction. Which way should I go? Aha! This is the way. Wow! Thanks to you, I was able to get to the emergency shelter.
You need to register before you go to an emergency shelter. Where should I go to register? Emergency Control Center. Please show me your ID. Here is my ID card. Great! I'll make a scanned copy. My name is Rudolph. Can you find my name? My number is 22015. Registration is all done. Here's your ID back. Wow, thanks a lot. Help me find the right tent. You need to register before you can go to an emergency shelter. Fire! Fire! Rush out, firefighters! Emergency supplies. Do you know how to use the fire extinguisher? First, pull the pin. Secondly, grip the handle. Thirdly, aim the nozzle at... Great! Extinguish the fire right away. Uh-oh, we need the fire hydrant to extinguish a fire. Step 1, open the hydrant. Step 2, connect the hydrant hose and fasten the joint. Step 3, set up the valve and turn it. Step 4, spray it on the fire. Guys, fire is so dangerous that you shouldn't play with it.
I'm so hungry. Where can I get some food?
Emergency supplies. You should queue up when you receive goods.
Thank you. I need this stuff. Can you help me find it?
Yes, exactly.
Quilt. Thanks.
Yes,
Thanks. Wow, I found everything. Thank
I need this stuff. Can you? Yes, exactly.
you.
Thanks! Yes, thanks! Wow, I found everything. Thank you.
I need these flashlights. Yes, thank you. Yes, exactly. Thank you.
Wow, I found everything. Thank you. Wow, thanks to your help, everyone gets emergency supplies. You can get food and household goods at the Emergency Supply Center. Oh, there is too much rubbish here. We need...
Follow the sign and you can find an emergency. Where's my dad? What should I do?
If you can't find your dad, ask for help at the Emergency Control Center. If you don't have a place to go in the event of a natural, let's build an emergency shelter. Emergency medical treatment. Place providing emergency shelter.